This is how you can create realistic AI advertisements using Sora 2. You can create UGC ads like the ones you see on screen right now that are super viral. You can create product animations like the ones you see on screen. You can make a model wear or hold your product like the images you see on screen right now. And all that in just 5 minutes. Let's get started. For today's video, I'm going to be using topview.ai. You can find it on the link down below in the description. You create an account and you get started by going into your dashboard and click the first option, which is the viral video agent. This is just one of the 3 functionalities we're going to see today. This viral video agent allows you to browse the TikTok ad library to find viral videos which you can replicate with AI. If you click on top view pics, you are going to find some of the most viral videos that were created. By clicking on top view pics, you can find some super viral videos which you can use as a template to recreate. Only thing you have to do is browse on the category you want to replicate and then click recreate on the video you want. The video will be added as a reference to the agent. You select the aspect ratio and then you click add image and link. Here you can upload your own images or just import from a URL of Amazon, Shopify, TikTok Shop and a lot of other providers. So let's try it right now. I'm going to click add image and I'm going to put this zinc product. I'm going to hit apply and I'm going to send the request. The agent will start analyzing our query and it's going to come up with a storyboard where we can do some changes and select specific stuff. Now, I really don't want to waste your time on this. I have made it a very detailed video on this viral agent. You can go and watch it on my channel. It's the exact previous video from this one. You type the product name here, the category, and then you click confirm. And the agent will start working on your request. It will create a task plan, which you can edit or just accept, and then the video will be generated within 5 to 20 minutes. At the same time, you can be working on other videos, and in just one day, you can completely create loads of videos for your shop. Right now on your screen, you are going to see the videos I have created in the past. Let me know what you think about them down below in the comments. By the way, if you want to learn more about AI, I have created a free school community with loads of courses, all completely for free. The link for the school community will be down below in the description. You will join a team of over 100 people learning and talking about AI. So I would love to see you in the school community. So as we can see, the agent is working to analyze the video, create a script, find the selling points. Really, this is one of the most amazing UGC agents I have ever seen. Another thing you can do is go to product avatar option. This will allow you to select one of the multiple avatars available in top view. You can sort by category and you can use an avatar, upload your product image, select whether to keep the model consistent or the product. I would always suggest the product, and this will generate an image of the model holding or wearing your product. See what I have created in the past. I have made this guy wear this shoe. And this is pretty amazing. You could literally create high quality images for your product page using this. Another example is this guy holding our zinc product. This is pretty amazing and it doesn't feel like AI. Another lovely option is this product AnySuit option. Click on it, click AI create, click local upload and you can upload an image, then select product and background. Another amazing product is this product AnySuit. Click on it, product and background, select an image from your local computer, and then you can select the type of display. Let's say that we select this. This AI tool will remove the background of your image and place it on this water element. Click generate and the generation begins. Look at what I have created. I have created this shoe on top of this. Pretty amazing. I have created again this shoe, which is getting splashed by berries, actually strawberries. I have created again this shoe on sand, like multiple shots, the zinc being on top of a pillar in a beautiful background. Like you could really create amazing stuff for your products. Look at this, look at the shoe on top of the water. Now, here is something super amazing. If you go back to your dashboard, you can go to image, text, video. You can upload the images you have created and type a simple prompt here, select best option, generation count, and you can generate a beautiful animated video from the image you have created. Let's see here this shoe with the berries. Look at this lovely animation with the berries going around. This is so beautiful. Let's check another one. Let's see the shoe in a different take. Always try to generate multiple shots, multiple videos to get exactly what you want. This is so lovely. And if you see the prompt here is super simple. Make an animation of the berries mashing into the shoe while the shoe rotates smoothly. I also did the same for the sand. Let's check it out. So here is the shoe in the sand and boom, the shoe is in the sand. Okay, this was not perfect, but let's see another take. We have the shoe, it goes down and a beautiful animation of the sand. Here we have the zinc product, which stands on top of rocks, and we have a slow zoom into the product. This is all super amazing if you want to create a very nice product page with animated videos. This really stands you out of the competition, and I only used a single image to do this. This is so smooth and so lovely. Let's see another take here. Boom, everything is animated. This is pretty incredible, and you can do all of these things inside this application. There are so many other options that you can use on top view, but I really don't want to waste your time. Hop into it, try it out, and let me know what you think about it. Finally, by clicking on history, you can see the previous things you have created or continue, for example, an AI creation that you forgot about or you didn't have time to review. So this is a one-stop solution for all your AI advertisements. Try TopView, it's really amazing.